YouTube. We are live every time. You can subscribe for more and more and more. So right about now, I'm at Soho Terrace in Barra with the one MC Tony, the drone master. How are you, Tony?
I'm good. How are you, sister?
I'm okay. I want you to tell people what you do. They look at it as something odd.
Oh, I'm called Tony, the drone pilot here in Western Uganda. But I really like you guys for supporting me and supporting Apex TV.
That's good. He deals in cameras, but drone is a drone master. Like experience yawe or any other person watching Apex right now, maybe they could be motivated, they could be inspired by you. Tell them more about what you do.
Yeah, first of all, I was inspired by YouTube. But so far now, I'm telling you, like, I'm the #1 in Uganda. Yeah, so I really inspire a lot of youth out there.
He's the #1 drone master in Uganda. Please, you can say anything to them where they find you, your social media platforms, if they want to follow you in case.
Yeah, you can find me in Barra on social media platform, Tony Drone Shoots Uganda. Yeah, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook.
How do you find the Backyard Sunday by Rhythm Selector and MC Kacheche?
Backyard Sunday is ever party after party. Yeah.
It's a life after a life in the night, in the party in Barara. So we always here to get lit, to get turned up every Sunday with MC Kacheche and Rhythm Selector.